Okay, so here we are at another garden. So this one was rototilled, then I came and put the rows in. And then we went and planted, I just bore holes in here to be able to replant dahlias. And then I found some other plants, threw in there and bored holes in there. And this place had some plants that they let go and then they reseeded, so we replanted the area. And this garden turned out pretty solid. I mean, this was maybe, I don't know, an hour and a half, I think, to get this all cleaned up and rowed. I was working around plants, so I kind of got mixed up into a couple uneven sections, but it all turned out pretty good. Now, you say that looks pretty good. You know, that's not a bad looking garden. You know, you did all right cleaning this up with just a power washer, you know. But that's only a piece of it. Now, I weeded this entire property all the way through. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you what I got. You want to see awesome? This is it. You know, it took all day, but look at all that. Weed free, all underneath the trees, edged it. I mean, I trimmed around here with a pressure washer just perfectly. All inside. Not done. Not even close to being done, showing you. This is my Mossman truck. Mossman to the rescue. All in there got weeded. Oh, don't forget over there. Oh yeah, all in there. Beat me. It's always contests. Beat me. Show me that you can weed faster than me. I removed nothing off this property. Nothing. I chewed it up, put it in the ground, fertilized everything with it, watered everything, cleaned everything up. Not done. I know you're going, well, yeah, it was before. Wasn't this nice? I had to mow that ditch. It's really tall grass. You know what ditches look like? Not like that. I tried hydrating this tree by injecting water into the ground. It might take, I don't know, I got here kind of late. I mean, this is like BAM! Look at this. These are the nice touches here. Look at this right here. Whoosh. Right on the edge. Right on the edge. Boom. Same here. Right on the edge. Right around like a nice curve. And just flowing. Not done yet. There's more. Now this is a day's work. It took me 5 minutes to video this thing. 5 minutes just to video it. All weeded. I couldn't get over there. They're building a fence. Bam. It's all weeds. Not now. Solid work. Well, you all have a great day. Glad you see my video. Have a great day.